For Nosco, on the insert side of the business, we actually produce inserts in 3 facilities, Gurnee, New York, and here at Pleasant Prairie. We do employ a couple different manufacturing processes. We do this flexigraphically here with a roll-to-fold system, and then we also do sheet fed on litho machines, flat folding. So MBO's been a partner with Nosco for approximately, I'd say, 5 to 8 years. We've mainly entered into that space with MBO when we started to look into the roll-to-fold of the commodities. Up until then, we weren't producing them in that manner, but we did need a better way at the time to get the inserts folded, so MBO worked with us to develop that solution. So working with MBO and getting into the roll-to-fold space has been extremely beneficial. We see a lot of benefits to the roll-to-roll and going roll-to-fold. Certainly makes it more efficient for us to send the product through, less touches, and all those things equal what, right? Less waste, less setup time, less changeover, and a faster response time to the market. So MBO has been super responsive in helping us get to that spot in our production of inserts. So on our roll-to-roll devices on the flexographic side, the machine's printing it roll-to-roll, but then we have a roll-to-fold device where we'll load the roll onto a sheeter, and it will then sheet it as it sends it in. It starts to make a fold, and then it'll sheet it and chop it into the folder. And all of our folders are set up for like mini folding for pharmaceutical inserts. Many of us see these inserts in our pharmaceutical packaging that there's quite a few panels to these, up to 200, 220. You can unfold this like a newspaper, right? It's the size of this, and it turns out to be the size of a newspaper when it's done. MBO is very versatile into how they handle the product coming off the roll, and even all the way to the packing. So we've been pretty successful with that. You know, at Nosco, we do see that the manufacturing process for producing inserts will change over time. Right now, we're mainly litho and flexo, but certainly there's going to be some opportunities for us to enter some different space to see if there's a more efficient, more economical way for us to produce these inserts. We do have a high volume of them. They're a large percentage of Nosco's revenue stream. In the 3 facilities that we're producing inserts, it's safe to say that we're on the 2 million, we're just under 2 million per day that are being produced out of Nosco as a whole. So we are constantly looking at our partners and working with our partners like MBO, for example, to figure out the most efficient and profitable way for us to handle these commodities.